Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is how we can use Teams with Copilot to summarize a recording of a meeting and give us a quick summary, the to-do list, and also draft an email that we're going to send to the client. With Copilot open in Microsoft Stream where I have the meeting, let's go ahead and use the prompt that says recap the meeting. Give it a couple minutes to think, and let's see what it comes up with. Not only can we see the summary, but we can also see the time codes of where those things were discussed during the meeting. Let's use the next prompt that says list the action items. And we have a quick list of those action items. If we could just get it to spell my name right, that would be great. Finally, I want to draft an email so I can send it to the client and keep them up to date on what we discussed in the meeting. And there we go. I have my email. Now I'm going to make sure and do a quality check and make sure it all looks okay. But pretty much I can send this off to the client if I recall what was said in the meeting to begin with. And of course, this is my Copilot, not the pilot. So I'm going to make sure it sounds like me. That's my tip for this week. Use Copilot to summarize your meetings and send updates to the client. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Until then, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.